Question 5. Work out the interest when £4,000 is invested at an annual compound interest rate of 3.8% for 4 years. If you get a question like this, you should celebrate because there's no problem-solving element to it. It's just, do you know about how to work with compound interest or repeated percentage change? And I'm sure you will have revised and do know how to do that. So, £4,000 is my amount to begin with, and it's invested at a rate of 3.8%. So to work out my multiplier, that's 100% plus 3.8%, which is 103.8%, which is a multiplier of 1.038. This is probably this is the first place where you could go wrong. You could say 1.38, a 38%, rather than 1.038, and that's why I always recommend writing this part here. So times by 1.038, and that for 4 years, so we know it's going to be times by 1.038 again, times by 1.038 again, times by 1.038 again, which we can shortcut by just saying 1.038 to the power of 4, and that equals 4,000 times by 1.038 to the power of 4 equals 4,643.54. 4,643.54. So now here's the key thing where many people will lose 1 mark. It's actually, the question is about the interest, not the value afterwards. So I want just the additional amount. So it's not inclusive of the initial amount that was invested. I only want the interest, so I have £643.54. And that's my answer.